Hey guys, part 2. We're actually cracking squishies. We're actually like cracking them now. If you're excited, subscribe and like, please. Also, yeah, I'm so excited. Like, absolutely. I like really want to badly like crack both of them. Right. So we got 2 dumplings by here. So we got a dumpling and a needle. Dupes. I don't know which one I want to do first. Which one feels more dry? This one feels more dry. But this one's more waxy. I'm gonna do this one first. I'm excited for this one. Okay, ready? Shh, shh, shh. ASMR. You guys. That, I hope you guys heard it. You guys 100% go and try this out, bro. That is, I don't think this dumpling could beat it. Literally, that needle was. Now we got the dumpling. Are you ready? Oh my goodness. I don't think any of you guys understand how good that like needle was, but okay. I wish I did more now. Like, absolutely. Should we do more? Guys, comment down below if we should do more. I like really want to do more. We're gonna do more. I don't really care. That was so good, guys. That was my second time cracking, and the first time was worse. The second time was better. Well, we're gonna do this one next because this one's gonna be really good crack, probably. Hold on. It's kind of dripping, but I'll be okay. We're gonna do 3 days on this. No, 5 actually. We're just gonna do this one because this one's really We're gonna let it age right now. I've done 5 layers. I kind of forgot to film out that I was recording. So I told it to myself. Thinking I was still recording. I've done 5 layers, so we're gonna put it in the sunlight. Sunlight. Oh, yes, so we're ready. So this is how we're looking. So that is covered in like hairspray. So on my fingers, we're gonna let it dry outside, like it dry. Yeah, we're gonna leave it for like 5 minutes. Yeah, come back for part 3, and I don't think we're gonna be there anymore. Sorry, guys.